Welcome to part 2 of Omar's story. In the last episode, Omar took a brave first step toward studying again. Today we continue his journey as he prepares for his English placement test and begins to imagine a new future for himself in the United States. This episode shows how small actions can open big doors. Let's see what happens next in Omar's path toward education, confidence, and new opportunities.
Omar feels nervous, but he walks to her. "Excuse me," he says. "My name is Omar. I am from Sudan. I work now, but I want to study again. My English is not strong. What can I do?" Ms. Lee smiles. "Hi, Omar," she says. "Nice to meet you. You are very welcome here. First, you can take our English placement test. That test helps us see your level. Then, we can put you in a good English class. After that, we can talk about your college plan." Omar listens and nods. "I studied engineering before," he says. "I did not finish. Now I work in a warehouse. I want to use my brain again. I want a better job in the future." "That is a good goal," Ms. Lee says. "You work hard now, and you want to grow. That is great. Here is a form for the English test. Please write your name, address, and phone number. The test is next Saturday at 9 a.m. Omar takes the form. He sits down at a small table and writes slowly. Name: Omar Hassan. Address: 145 Oak Street. Phone: 555-2489. He checks his writing. Then he gives the paper back to Ms. Lee. "Thank you, Omar." Ms. Lee says, "Next Saturday, please come at 8:45 a.m. We are going to start the test at 9 o'clock. "Okay," Omar says. "I am going to come early." When he walks home that night, Omar feels a little different. The street is the same. The cars are the same. But inside, he feels more hopeful. "I am going to take an English test," he thinks. "Shy, I'm going to start again. Maybe it is slow, but it is a new start." That weekend, Omar does something new. On Friday night, he does not watch TV. He sits at the table and opens an old English book. He reads simple texts and underlines words. He writes sentences in a notebook. "I am Omar. I am from Sudan. I live in the United States now. I work in a warehouse. I want to study engineering again." He says the sentences out loud. His voice is quiet, but strong. On Saturday morning, Omar wakes up early. He eats breakfast, puts a pen in his pocket, and leaves his apartment. On the bus, he looks out the window and repeats his sentences in English in his mind. "I am Omar. I am from Sudan. I want to study again." When he arrives at the college, Ms. Lee is at the door. She smiles and says, "Good morning, Omar. You are here." "Yes," Omar says. "Oh, I am here. I am ready." Omar is not a student yet, but today is the first small step.
If you're enjoying Omar's journey, don't forget to subscribe. Your support helps us continue creating real-life English stories that inspire learners around the world. Want to keep learning while you wait? You can find the complete A1C2 real-life American English short story series in both the channel description and the video description. Each level is designed to help you grow your vocabulary, build confidence, and improve your fluency step by step.